Top 5 Best Built-in Dishwashers. Number 5. Frigidaire, 24-inch built-in dishwasher, stainless steel. Fully integrated dishwasher, 8 wash cycles, NSF certified rinse orbit clean wash system, dish sense technology, granite gray plastic tub 52 dBA. Based on industry drying tests using Sahara Dry, March 2012. Among leading brands. Polymer 12 tub interior with nylon TUF racks. 8 wash cycles. 12 place settings capacity. Orbit Clean technology provides 4 times more water coverage.
Amazon products link check in the description.
Number 4. Bosch Ascenta 24 Scoop Handle Dishwasher, 46 dBA Rackmatic. Bosch dishwashers are so quiet you may forget they're on. Info light projects a red light onto the floor to let you know it's on. 46 dBA, quietest in its class, quietest dishwasher brand. Info light shines on the floor so you know the dishwasher is running. Stainless steel tall tub with polypropylene bottom delivers durability. 24/7 overflow protection system helps prevent water leaks. Number 3. GAGDF 520 PGJWW 24-inch, built-in full console dishwasher with 4 wash cycles. Full console dishwasher with 4 wash cycles, 16 place setting capacity, adjustable upper rack, silverware basket, sanitize, steam pre-wash, heated dry, delay start, silence rating of 54 dBA and Energy Star rated. Plastic tall tub interior, 4 wash cycles, 7 wash option, 15 place settings with adjustable upper rack. Piranha hard food disposer with removable filter. Number 2. Maytag, 24 built-in top control stainless steel dishwasher. Stainless steel tall tub interior with nylon racks, 14 place settings, 5 wash cycles, 5 wash options, 4 blade stainless steel chopper disintegrates food particles. Number 1. Whirlpool, front control dishwasher in black. Full console dishwasher, 4 wash cycles. Vinyl racks, AccuSense oil sensor, anywhere plus silverware basket, triple filtration system, silence rating of 55 decibels. Plastic tub interior with vinyl rack, 4 wash cycles, 5 wash option, AccuSense oil sensor, anywhere plus silverware basket,